I'm going to show you how to go from thick afro puff blow dried hair to your sleek and sexy look. If you want to see how this done, stay tuned. What's up, my lovelies? So I was in the middle of just blow drying my hair, and I decided that I really wanted to try to straighten my hair, but I was actually about to do a crochet style with this Prelude Free Twist Deep Twist hair that I went and purchased this morning. But as soon as I blow dried my hair, I was just like, my growth has been insane for this year. I mean, for like the year that I've been natural. I've only been natural for a whole year now. A year and what, like 2 months now. Last year, February, I cut off all my hair because it was just so damaged. And I was trying to transfer from being relaxed to natural, and I just went ahead and did the big chop. So this is literally gonna be my first time straightening my hair since I've went natural. This is only my second time blow drying my hair since I've been natural too. So all the other times I've just been letting it air dry or dry overnight. But as you can see, I've already like straightened this piece just to see how it was gonna look. Of course, I'm probably gonna have to clip my ends, but I did clip my ends not too long ago, so they may be all right. But I'm super excited. I've already, did everything as far as detangle, what else, blow dry, everything. So I've used all of my products that I will use, but I'll show you what I've used to get to this point. So of course, my favorite, not my favorite Jamaican black castor oil, but this is one of the ones that I have right now on hand. This one, and then of course I use, my first time actually using the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist Out Cream. Twist and Shout, sorry guys. The Twist and Shout Cream, and smells so delicious. Because the only reason I actually bought this is because I couldn't find my curl souffle from Shea Moisture in the beauty supply that's down the street. So I had to go with the next best theme that I knew of. And and then of course I have my heat protector already on my hair. I put it on there right before I blow dry my hair. I'm not putting more because all it's gonna do is weigh my hair down. But I did already put this on there just so I won't lose my curl pattern. So I really hope I don't, because I'm gonna be really sad, because then I'm gonna have to cut my hair off all over again. So enough talking. I'm just gonna start straightening my hair. Like I said, y'all, I haven't straightened my hair in probably like over 2 or 3 years. I haven't straightened my hair in such a long time. But all right, y'all can go on this journey with me. So that's one of the back sections done. Y'all just don't know how hype I am right now. Like, this is just a year of me taking care of my natural hair. Like, just think of how full and long it will be in 5 years, like with me consistently taking care of it. But just know, this summer I ain't doing nothing but crochet. I'm not having my natural hair out because Y'all know that sun tear our hair up. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to trim it. But yeah, I'm so hyped. They can't tell me nothing. I'm corny. Hang time. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and get finished. I think I might just do a what is it? Extended ponytail. Okay. Okay, so I decided to just do a slick back ponytail, an extended ponytail. I've already slicked down my hair, and braided it down to the tip. And I got my sidekick right here, to help me with whatever, with the snotty nose she's getting over a cold. But yeah, this is actually gonna be my first time doing this, so. You hungry?
Yes.
Okay, we about to eat, okay?
Okay.
All right. Well, y'all heard. She's ready to eat. I'm ready to eat, so.
Oh, you ready to eat?
Okay, Julia. You ready to eat?
Yes.
Get some tissue. Get some tissue. But I'll probably be back after I do it, just because this is going to be my first time trying it. And I actually do need to go buy probably 2 bundles for this.
Okay. Okay, mommy.
Get out.
Stop.
But,
Stop.
okay, I'll be back when I finish my hair. I'm so silly. All right, we'll be back. Hey, y'all. So I finally did my hair. This is like 3 days later though. But I did do an extended ponytail, and you know, it was really easy. This is my first time doing it. I thought it was gonna be a little bit harder. I didn't glue it. I just bobby pinned it and just, you know, kept wrapping and kept wrapping. But it actually came out really, really nice, y'all. I guess I'll add this to my specialty list of doing it. And if you could tell in my voice, I'm a little bit sick. The strep throat has been going around at my job and stuff. So I probably caught that. I hope not, but I probably have. But this is how your girl out here looking today. Like I said, this is like 3 days later, and I still haven't even put anything more like molding down my hair, anything else. The only thing that I did today was just do my little curls that want to fall. I don't know why, but that's it. So if y'all would like a detailed video on this, even though I know it's a million videos on YouTube already of doing the extended ponytails, but if y'all want to see how yours truly lovely Prima did hers, just comment below and I can show you. I only use one product to get my hair smooth and slicked down. like this after I straightened it. So yeah, definitely if you want to know how to get this look, just comment below or DM me on Instagram, and you know, we can make something happen. But that's how your girl out here looking to catch me somebody daddy. Yes, ma'am.